me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this.
Insa?
Okay na.
Ivan? Hello mga palangga, just want to share this short clip on my latest fun run that I won first place for my age category. Yan, o diba? May medal pa mga palangga. These are also my friends who won for their age category mga palangga.
Brenda.
Champion.
So ayan mga palangga, makahappy lang talagang mag-join ng mga fun run na ganito mga palangga. So yan, I have my medal and my plaque. So yan, we are enjoying waiting for the award and the prizes mga palangga. So thank you for watching mga palangga. Till our next video. Bye for now. Let's go run!